Yeah, do you need a powerful, portable, efficient tool for your woodworking or gardening projects around the house? Then meet the Saker 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw. It's gonna get the job done for you. So if you don't want to struggle with big bulky tools and you're looking for a compact chainsaw to use around the house, I highly recommend the Saker 6-inch mini chainsaw right here. And it's going to come with everything you need, from a pair of gloves, the chainsaw itself, some extra chain, 2 batteries, chargers, safety glasses,